Hello everyone, how is everybody? This is Dublin's House of Clean. Today I'm going to be showing you this Vax hoover. This is, I'll get the model. The Vax C85 WWP hoover. And so you may also know this hoover as the Energize Vibe. They do another version of this, and basically it's the exact same, just a different colour. That one is red and this one is black and red cyclone in there. My first thoughts, bit of dust. My first thoughts on this hoover, when I first used it, it's good. Average, it's alright. It's not average, it's not good, but certainly not bad. It's just alright. The suction is a little poor. The filter on this, most of the dirt that this collects goes to the filter, which if you just twist this, most of the dirt goes to this filter right here, and so it clogs up very, very quickly. And so it clogs up very quickly, so the dust is often just trapped on that filter, so it clogs up, and then your suction isn't as good. But if you maintain that after every use, sometimes you may have to do it once or twice every use. Maybe just give it a little vacuum off with a hand vacuum, or even just wipe all the dirt off with like a little brush into the bin. That's what I done just before this review. The hose clips out very easily, just like that. I'll bring you closer just so you can see. And your hose can pop off, just like that. That's where your dust is collected, and and it's empty now. The filter is also clean, so we can give it a little test. I'm sorry. There we go. It is a little hard to remove this hose. So that's your hose. Oh, hold on. There we go. So there's your hose. And then, just now is your pipe, and that does extend. If you press that button and then push in that button, and that will extend up or it'll extend down. There we go. And then you have your main head. This is an older head now. They have upgraded the head since. I had a picture of the new one on the screen now. But this is the hoover. So you have your on button, and then here is like a variable speed. So here you have like a plus, and that's the good suction, and there's the bad suction. Look, that's what I class. It's not good or bad suction. It's just like low suction and high suction. From my personal experience, you must have it on the high. There's your button to switch it on and off. You can use that with your foot. You can pull out your cord there. There we go. So right here then you have your HEPA filter. And so this just twists off. It also just twists back on. Oh, there we go. So this is your HEPA filter. There you do get a bit of dust on this as well. And you can just scrape that off into the bin. It does get dusty. And I'll do that just now, and then I'll be back to you. I've just tapped that under the bin now. I'm sure you can buy replacements, or you might be able to wash it. I'm not 100% sure. But that just then pops straight on there again. And then you can push this back on. This just twists back on. It's a little hard to do one-handed. On the other side, this also comes off, I'm almost sure. And this is just like, yeah, it does. And this is just like your motor. That's just what that is, just there. And then they both just twist back on then. See, that's on securely. Turn it over the other side. It's also on securely. So hoover's lightweight. So you have a button and that releases that. There, it's where you empty it, push that and then empty your dust out. I've cleaned it out as well as I can. Up here you have another little tiny filter as well that can just be washed. Ours is covered in dirt because the filter does the dust from the filter does get on that, so filter just up in here. If you look here, there is meant to be a little thing that covers this bit here, little plastic bit. The Energize Vibe has that, I know that. I'm not sure if this one does though. This isn't mine, so whoever owns it, this one obviously doesn't. You can just push that and then, yeah, all your dust will go in there then. Well, I wouldn't really suggest washing it like that. And that may improve it. Our one just, the one I'm reviewing right now, I don't own this. It's to friends. So, it doesn't really, I'm not sure if it's meant to come with it or not. Maybe they removed it and then they forgot to put it back in and lost it. I'm not sure. Maybe it just didn't come with one. The Energize Vibe does. I know that. But this is the exact same. I've also lost the small tools, so this is all I have with it. You have your vax nozzle, you have your extension nozzle, and that just goes straight back on there. And then that just goes straight back on there as well. So, there you go. You can also extend it just like that, and then you can extend it back down again. But that's just how you do that. And then tomorrow, or maybe tonight, depending on if people are going to bed now soon, because it's quite late, I might turn this on and give it a little run around this room. See, there's hair over there, and carpets could do with a little hoover, so, you know, I will maybe. But for now, that's my little review on the Vax hoover. So, if you're looking for a cheap hoover that will do the job, then this is alright. It would be very perfect for a caravan or a mobile home, because it's small. Hard floors, I have tried on hard floors. It's alright on hard floors, but on carpets, it's not amazing. So, yeah, if you're looking for a cheap hoover that's also lightweight and compact, then this is certainly one to look at. And if you're willing to maintain the filters and stuff regularly, then it's definitely one to consider. Okay, so it's the next day, it's nice and bright out now, and so the carpets are still a little dirty. So I'm going to give them a little hoover, using my Vax, well not my Vax, but this Vax. And then we'll check the filters afterwards, and we'll see how bad they were. But of course that can just be cleaned off into the bin. So there you go. Did pick up a good bit. Some of this is just carpet fibre, but did pick up butter dust. Comment, like, and press the follow button. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.